We had a great session just a few, I guess, about a half hour ago with our Futures First. Anybody from Futures First in here? Let me ask that question. Oh, yeah. Well, let's get into it, Adam, and we'll just go through the slides. First of all, it's Monday night. This is a big transition night into tomorrow's trade, and I've got something I think is going to help you. Plus, we're going to talk about one of my favorite ways for people to really learn what I call the art of trading. Okay. Get on my YouTube channel, review some of the tapes and all that, and we'll go from there. Risk involved in trading, past performance not indicative, future results. For those that don't know, I'm a former Air Force officer, active trader since the 70s. Boy, that's a true statement, active. Former member of Chicago Mercantile Exchange. When I was in Mobile, I found the letter they sent me when I first joined the exchange. That was sort of nice in one of the boxes. Author of 3 books, Winning the Day Trading Game, The Markets Never Sleep, and Trade to Win. And of course, I've worked with students since 1996. In my opinion, market's in a bull market, and we're going to try to take advantage of that. The odds favor looking for longs, and that's what we've been doing very successfully. So the market itself is, it will breathe from time to time. Did a little breathing this afternoon, got big news in the morning. We'll see how the week unfolds. Now, what I did this as a bonus in my Futures First. I said, let's go on and plan tomorrow. And you might want to take a picture of this, but this is the plan I'm going into Tuesday with. And just to give you an idea, we took the midpoints for Monday, and then we took trigger prices based on those midpoints. And then we said where we'd be wrong if we went long or short. The other thing I told people, you have to pay attention to the reference bars. And the reference bars will keep you on the right side of the market. So if you want to take a picture of this, you're welcome to take it. This is what I'll be using tomorrow to make decisions right here in front of you. So any questions about this slide on the transition from Monday to Tuesday? Any questions about it? These numbers will pay you. Oh, ABO means all bets off. For example, if you're trading Amazon, you went long at 222.11, right? Your all bets off number would be 219.40. That's how that works. Simple, straightforward. All right, Seven Sisters update. E-mini is up about 7.5. NASDAQ's leading by 11. Dow's up 253. It's in the back of the race. The DAX is up 21 at the top of the race. Gold is up 28%. Crude is down 10.86%. I believe it's breaking down, and that's what was the subject of our Futures First. That's what I do, and that's the bonds. Now here's the 10 tickers for the week. Let's go back to that real quick. Palantir, this is 5811. That's the income stock on Palantir. NVIDIA, I got 184.55. You look at NVIDIA today, it had a high of 83.84, so get above that on NVIDIA. I got Reddick above 220. Reddick above 220. Reddick TQQ 92.55 went up today, made us a little bit on that rally we had. QQQ, I've got on here on the QQQ 575.55. We got long there, and I think we're fine. I think you're going to see the market reverse after you get past CPI. Apple 232.55, and gold above 314. Gold is selling off. Gold is going the opposite way, but that's the beauty of planning it on Sunday night. Okay. Now, how can you follow me on a weekly basis, trade what could possibly be the best second half of the year ever? That's a great question. Today, I did a lot of training in different areas, train and trade at 11. I did my retirement center today. We opened it up, and then futures tonight, and now this. If you think about it, what would be if you came to me, and I want you to think about this, if you came to me and said, Tom, I've looked at what you do with options, never seen anything like it, you know, and I could go through the numbers, but you know, they're pretty fantastic. The percentage wise, if you said, how do you be able to do that? Well, my answer would be Tuesday power plays. What is Tuesday power plays? Well, it watches on Monday, and on Tuesday, we have about 5 opportunities we identify that are trades for the week. Very simple, with a setup, where to get in, where we're wrong, and where we're getting out of, and we use options and we use stock, okay? So you got a lot of choices in Tuesday power plays. Unlike any service you ever seen before, it's taught me more about trading anything I've done because it makes you disciplined. Anybody here have a problem with discipline? You know, over trading, afraid to trade, that kind of stuff. Not following the process. Well, this will teach you better than any service I got. It's called Tuesday Power Plays. It lets you place a trade about 1 hour a week, not a lengthy process because it sets up on Tuesday. Now, we have some tremendous results following this and piggybacking on what happens on Tuesday. Every Tuesday morning, 2 Tuesday power plays. You get entry, risk management for stock and option, no guessing about it. We lay it out for you. Every single week we do it, always right on time, somewhere before or in that first part of the trade day, Tuesday morning. 2 trades every Tuesday morning. Here's a couple. Valero and Etsy. Anybody want to pick up on $1,000? That'd be $480 on that week. Pretty good stuff. Various programs I've already been saying about my performance in here. This was the NUE play placed by Keith, 20% profit. Way to go, Keith. I ring that cash register in Tuesday power plays according to Bruce. He's here tonight. And he said, loves the program. So far, she's only had winning trades. It's pretty sharp the way we do this. I do like it. 25% profit, okay, by Richard. But I think the key thing is not the fact that we're laying out these profits for you. You're going to get it down. I call it the art of trading. This is the art of trading, knowing when to enter, knowing how long to stay, and knowing when to get out. You got to love it. Sylvan, he's from Canada. He made 30%. Way to go, Sylvan. I like this one. Dick has made $1,930 in less than 4 days. Yeah, the trades only last through Friday, okay, at the longest. So we cleaned the deck on Friday. Put your name on the board. Be with me tomorrow when I do it. All the heavy liftings for you. We get in on Tuesday. Don't miss a beat. You get an email outlining it. You can do the Power Play portfolio. We track it online for you. You can watch it. About 30,000 in equipment keeps this thing running. It's worth it though, because it pays accurately and consistently. Take it when you can. New members, I'm alive tonight. We're going to make it special for you. Join us for a personal training class on it. Get any questions you have if you join. Now, that's not the only training you're getting with this service. It's a perfect way to learn options and stocks, okay? A perfect way to learn options and stocks. Whether the market goes up or goes down, it will keep you on the right side with our technique. You get flash meetings when I see an opportunity, setting up as a member of the Power program. And here's a special bonus. Every Tuesday, I also put a bonus hedge in there. Allows you to truly experience the freedom of life when you don't have to worry about the markets taking a dive. Results actually recorded, I'd say it's totally worth it. Fair price for this is a lot of money with all the work. It takes 3 of us to put it all together. Jeff Smith, Jonathan Rowe, and myself. We're all 3 working on it. You're getting the best of the best there. Oh, they're getting real aggressive tonight with this. They want you in here, huh? Okay, I got it. Sound like a plan to me. Here's a special announcement. Instead of getting 2, you'll get 4. Instead of getting just 2, you get 4 every week. I was hoping they'd do that. 4 the best. Twice as many each week, all on Tuesday. We had that week there. Look at that. Wasn't that a tremendous week? All inside the brand new Power Place when you join. And if you join in the next 30 minutes, you can save a bunch of money. Anybody like saving money? Here it is. You won't pay that price. $19.97. That's not good enough. If you join on this special presentation, you get an incredible deal. If you join in the next 30 minutes and become a member of my Power Club, you're going to get 50% off. That's a deal of a lifetime. You can get the new trades tomorrow morning when we post them. Go through some of the master classes tonight. 50% off the retail. Go to dtitrader.com/power or call 904-706-3532. Again, these will be posted no later than 11 o'clock tomorrow. Join in that next 30 minutes for this special deal here on Monday night. If you take action, you get a chance to upgrade to 2 years of access, meaning you'll join today, you'll get access to 144 weeks on Tuesday Power Play. Nobody does it. We put it out every Tuesday. Take it off the table, grab it, join in the next 30 minutes and take 2 years. Wow. And it's back with our guarantee. Trade with me the next 2 weeks, see if it works for you. There it is. You can get started, make the trades, and have a scholarship before it actually processes on you. dtitrader.com/power or call 904-706-3532. And it's IRA friendly. Use any regular broker. The new Tuesday Power Plays is ready for prime time. And here's the beautiful part. We're getting these trades from a real-time indicator, not missing out on big moves. Look at Goosehead Insurance. I remember this one. Nobody wanted to buy it when we did. Nobody. Average true range, begin to spike. With Tuesday Power Plays, you don't look at lagging indicators, you look at real-time what's happening, and that'll be in the morning. In the case of Goosehead Insurance, you got in on Tuesday, out on Friday, 108% on your money. Put up 1,000, that means you got 2,000. You're on scholarship. Pretty cool. Join in the next 30 minutes for the 50% off. You got two choices to make. Forget everything you heard me say tonight. Go back to what you're doing. Not be part of it, or take action and learn the right way to trade options and stocks through Tuesday Power Plays. Look at those whoppers. 4 days. Here we come. That Goosehead was a good one, wasn't it? Enjoy whatever you want to do with this kind of trading. You make a decision, become the trader you're capable of becoming, doors open, mark it down on your calendar. This is a date that's going to change your ability to use options and stocks going forward. Last reminder, you get half off if you join in the next 30 minutes. You get double the amount every week. You'll get 4 opportunities tomorrow, twice as many profit opportunities every week, and twice the value. Now, I'll answer anybody's questions that they got them. There's the link, dtitrader.com/power. They went out and above to put you into this. Get in it. You're going to love it. What you're going to find is you can take what I teach you in this course, in this service, and apply it to any option trade or any stock trade you do. I use everything I use in here. That's why I showed you that slide right after and told you to take a picture of it. That's the transition from the day into power. Any questions? Thanks for joining, Kevin. They're coming in fast and furious at half off. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. We're going to make some money together. Yeah, on YouTube, Julie. Go to YouTube. You'll find it. Adam, I like this presentation. We got to the point. This is the executive summary of teaching the art of trading. David just typed in, TPP, Tuesday Power Plays, is one of the easiest ways to earn consistent income. That's from a guy that's been trading 30 years. That's it. That's something for sure. Oh, man. All right. My next appearance will be in my TNT in the morning, kick off Tuesday. It's trade day, folks. It started at 8 o'clock tonight. Trade day. I can tell you right now, it's going to be a good one once we get past CPI. Yeah, Buck, I'm going to do it because we're eliminating half the reports. I will interpret the CPI tomorrow and make the transition into it. We will be doing power this week, okay? Steve says you get 2 years for an extra $100. Take it. I don't know what they're doing. It must be a typo. Take it. We'll hold them to it. Adam, thanks for a great, I like this kind of presentation. Heck, this fired me up. It's not out. All right. Watch what we did today. Watch what we do tomorrow. I'll see everybody tomorrow at 11 o'clock to discuss all the important things about Tuesday. Had a great crowd today. Word is spreading. T-Buzz and Chuck are on the case. Thanks, Adam.